Shorts thumbnail. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. This updated video shows how to change your YouTube Shorts thumbnail image step by step. Like these kinds of videos? We have more related content on this channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Changing a Shorts thumbnail is different. Many try on computer and fail. Others try via YouTube Studio and can't do it. Folks, it's completely different. Click on YouTube app, not YouTube Studio. It's the YouTube app. Click at the bottom, then click on your videos. Select short and choose the video to edit. Click on the side. Click on Edit. Click the pencil icon to change the thumbnail. The process is different now, no uploads. Choose a video frame as the thumbnail. I just picked a part of the video. Click at the top to confirm. Then just save, folks. Save it at the top. That's it. Did you manage? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.